Hey beautiful, welcome back to the channel. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private so only approved followers can see your posts and stories. Go to the Instagram app using the latest updated version of the app for the best experience. Now, locate the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture, profile avatar icon to go to your profile page. Now, on your profile screen, locate the menu icon and tap on it. This will open a side menu with several options. From the list of options, scrolling and open the account privacy menu, then see the private account toggle. Simply tap the switch next to it to turn it on. When the toggle turns blue, your account is officially private. Once your account is private, only approved followers can see your photos and videos. New followers must send a request. You can approve or remove followers anytime. Your posts won't appear to non-followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.